What's up, creatives? Ever wanted to give your photos that trendy two-tone look you see all over Instagram and design blogs? Well, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you a super cool and easy way to do it. We'll be using Adobe Photoshop Express, and it only takes a few simple steps. Let's get started. Duotone effect makes use of two colors, creating a rich tonal reproduction of an image through the superimposition of one color over another. Launch Photoshop Express on your computer. If you don't have it already, I have this tutorial in the playlist, which will direct you to get it installed ASAP. I have pinned the link to that video in the comments section. Excellent! The interface shows two option tabs, as you can see. The one on the right side allows you to take instant photos, and it will automatically load into the application. Whereas the left-hand side option is used to import any photo you want. The vertical slides indicate the adjustments panel. We need to convert the photo to black and white because it's a crucial step as duotone effects work on a grayscale base. Open the black and white filter. Choose this preset from the list. Click on it to convert the photo to black and white. Awesome! Use the opacity slider to reduce and tone down the intensity because it looks too dark and weird if you leave it like this. Navigate to the filer named Duotone and click on the arrowhead to open the list. Excellent! Now you can choose what you want from the preset. If you think the effect is too much, use the opacity slider to reduce the intensity. To see the preview of before and after, navigate to that icon at the top and click on it to switch between the two. You also have the opportunity to zoom in and out with that tool. Once you are happy with the result and you want to save the edited photo, navigate to this icon and click to open the preference menu. Make sure the image resize option is set to original and change the JPEG quality to maximum. This will help achieve and maintain the resolution when the final photo is exported. Now go back, click on Save, and follow the prompts to export the photo. So that wraps things up for today's tutorial. Hopefully, you're feeling confident and ready to give your photos a stylish duotone effect. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And before you go, stay tuned for more videos like this one. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when the next one drops. Thanks for watching.